In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on toolbars in AutoCAD. If your toolbars have disappeared or you're working in a newer workspace that favors the ribbon, turning classic toolbars back on is quick and reliable. We'll do it using the command line first, then the menu bar, and you'll be able to pick exactly which toolbars you want to see. Start by moving your cursor to the command line at the bottom of the AutoCAD window. Click in the command line to make sure it's active. Type the word menu bar. You don't need capitals, but they help you see it clearly. After typing menu bar, press the space bar or the enter key to confirm the command. AutoCAD will now ask for a value. Type 1. Then press space or enter again. Setting menu bar to 1 turns on the classic menu bar at the very top of the screen. If it was already visible, no problem. You've just confirmed it's enabled. If you ever need to hide it again, the value 0 would turn it off. But for this workflow, we want it on. With the menu bar now showing, look to the top of your screen and click on Tools. A drop-down will appear. From that menu, move down to Toolbars. This opens a list of toolbar groups that AutoCAD provides. Depending on your version, you might see categories like AutoCAD, Express, or similar groups. Don't worry if you don't see every category. What appears depends on what's installed and loaded in your environment. From this toolbars list, click the specific toolbar you want to display. As soon as you select it, that toolbar will appear in your workspace. Common choices include Draw, Modify, Layers, Properties, and Standard. But feel free to choose what best matches your workflow. If you want more than one, simply repeat the selection from the same toolbars menu. Each selection appears immediately, so you can see your workspace take shape as you go. Once your chosen toolbars are visible, you can leave them exactly where they appear or arrange them later if you prefer a tidier layout. The important part is that they're now turned on and ready to use. If you don't see a toolbar after selecting it, double-check that the menu bar is still enabled and that you clicked the correct category under Toolbars. In most cases, it's just a matter of selecting the right entry from the list, and that's all there is to it. By enabling the menu bar with menu bar set to 1, opening Tools, and choosing Toolbars, you can quickly bring back the classic toolbars you rely on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more familiar AutoCAD workspace.